Well, as many of you have probably figured out, we're not going to be able to post a video today. A lot of things happened this weekend and just kind of put us too far behind to get a video put together today. Just going to do this to thank everybody for always being a good viewer and supporting us, keeping us going during these crazy days. So many of you are fairly new viewers. If you want, go back to some older videos. We've got some pretty fun videos of when we go and pick up Grizz when it's still a motorhome.
That's the motorhome right there.
Yeah! We have arrived. Look at her in all of her glory.
Wow, I wish it had a mirror.
Oh, that bumper is legit. Oh yeah. She is a beaut, Clark.
And the oil.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's black like every big block.
Yeah, nice.
How's it taste?
And it's full.
Yeah, how's it taste? Oh, come on.
It doesn't even smell that gassy.
Well, stick your tongue out.
I'll pass. Thank you though. Dad and Dusty start moving this thing.
Make it so, number one.
Look at that.
Come on, Kurt, keep rolling.
And everything else does that motorhome feel like it's gonna come crashing down.
We've heard some pretty ominous creaks and pops. Also, the video of us dismantling Grizz is a fun one if you like a little bit of carnage and destruction. But if you gave that wall around the window a good kick, it'd all come crumbling down. So
Let's try not to with me over here though.
yeah,
Just, you know.
we still got a few more things to get out of there before it all implodes. Well, this will be good.
Okay, stand back.
And then also we have some other videos of Krusty, of us putting the motor together and getting that one running. So if you haven't watched those, you get to watch me make a lot of silly mistakes and learn a lot really fast.
Wow. Just right, it'll come out.
Yep, I did.
The first couple times I did it, I had to take the cap off.
Yep.
So, yeah, exactly.
Okay, perfect. This one was a mile off. That should have been our first clue that something was amiss.
Right?
Oh, no, distributor's not in the right way, so. Hold on. Okay. We got a couple of Bob videos too. A few of you have asked about the big orange Blazer, so go check out a couple of those videos.
If it gets colder, we'd have burnouts.
We're gonna have burnouts anyway.
Dad won't do it, but I will.
Well, I got everything cleaned up. Got all the masking tape on, ready to mask it up. Brief history on Bob and how this Blazer came to be part of the Carter family. And it is a big part of the Carter family. It all starts back when I was a little kid. My dad always had these 72s. My favorite one growing up was his orange 3/4 ton. And then we do have a couple of videos of what we do day to day. We have a just rolled in type of video where you can see some of the silly things that have rolled into our shop in the last year.
So I think they didn't get their money's worth. They should have went a little bit longer on their brakes.
So this truck came in, it doesn't really have any brakes. If you get on it, pump it up a little bit, you can get a little bit of something just so you can move it, but it loses brakes in a big hurry. And so if you look underneath it, I noticed that there was a bunch of fluid that was starting to pour out of it. So I was trying to figure out where, and I could see that it was all over the power steering pump and all over this, but it didn't necessarily look like any of the fittings were loose. So watch this. Oh!
Customer states vehicle is overheated. Pop the hood. Oh hey, the belt's off of it. Without the belt spin in the water pump, that is gonna overheat. Well, oh, that's why the belt kicked. I think the water pump, pulling on the water pump, come off if I wiggle it enough.
We will definitely have a new video next week. Most likely it'll be Gonzo, getting that wrapped up and our trip down to the car show. We did just get back from that show late last night. Looks like this week we'll be getting back on Grizz, so look for a video on that here in the next couple of weeks. Pretty excited to have that one move along. It kind of got pushed to the back burner while we worked on Gonzo here, but this has been a ton of fun, and it is up to where I can drive it to church. In fact, I did drive it to church yesterday, so I love Gonzo. It's been a fun truck, and I'm glad to finally have it to where I can drive it a lot. Even though this is a short video, I'm still gonna leave you with a quick thought. Till next week, remember, do the best you can with what you got. Thanks for watching.